financial markets by itself, it's not ideal, and it's making trading, it's not ideal too. So all those beautiful entry points, 95% of the accuracy, you can find more this information in the YouTubers, bloggers, influencers. They're trying or to sell you the trading cards or trading signals. But when you will start trading by yourself and you will face the real market, you will see totally different story. And those entry points, it's like more rare thing than consistency. Even in 2013, Eugene Foreman, this is Nobel laureate, he was talking about random walk pattern and market inefficiency, and he was explaining that and giving a lot of the arguments that price moved in so randomly that it's almost impossible to do the short-term forecast. And even if we're talking about ABC trading concepts, sometimes we can draw the wane, we can find the reversal level, everything is ideal, and then price changing, hardly changing its direction and crushing all our structure that it was before. The most important point is to understand what to do in this kind of situation. So today, guys, we are talking about hard changing of the trend and how to get a benefit from it. What does it mean, benefit? How to make money from this kind of situation. As we continue to dive deeper into the ABC trading concept, today I will open you new way how you can open a position and new way how you can generate the money. So let's start. So let's go to the chart, because I want to show you how this hard changing of the trend look like in reality. So we are opening the Bitcoin time frame H1 and we can see beautiful formation of the new trend. We have ABC, we have an arrow that's showing us that this is the signal or changing the trend, or signal when you can buy. It's up to you, it depends on your strategy. So we decide to put our take profit somewhere here. Everything is beautiful, price is slowly by waves moving in our direction, and as we can see, our position was successfully closed by the stop loss. But after that, we can see like creation of the new trend, opposite trend. This trend will go down. So we have wave A, wave B, and don't forget, so this is the H1. So these trends, waves and H1, it might take even few days. So for example, here it started creating, I think, in 29th of October, and then you see we have a signal. So we have a signal to open sell operation, and it was 3rd of November of 2024. Everything is nice. We open our sell, we put our stop loss, and then we are moving forward, and boom, you see, this is the hard changing of the trend. So there was no like waves, there was no even, if there was less stops, there was very, very small stops, and most probably it's breaking all the situation, breaking all the previous structure in the short period of time. How it's look like, so let us draw. For example, we have a trend was going down for some period of time, and then in the short period of time, without like correction waves, with the small like stopping of the price, it's breaking the highest level of our previous trend. What should we do next? Of course, in the internet you can find a lot of information when people will tell you, no need to open position because it's false break, and maybe the price will go back. But believe me, guys, sometimes those kind of movement, if we will miss, we will lose the chance to generate huge amount of the profit. My opinion, and through the, if we're talking about ABC trading concept, we should open here position buy with the stop loss a little bit down of the lowest point of the previous trend. Of course, if this distance is very, very big, we should put the stop loss by ATR, but 100% we should open a position. And of course, if you remember the previous video when we were talking how to trade following the trend, we can wait, maybe we'll no need to open position. But believe me, if this hard reversing of the trend happening, most probably it will be just one impulse for a long period of time. Let me show you what happened in this current situation. By the way, we modified our indicators, so you see it's hard reversal, how hard changing of the trend it will appear with a different kind of the colors. So if you didn't take this indicator, I highly recommend you to message me and to get. And let's see what happened here. You see price is moving up, and by the way, the lowest point of that trend was 67,000, and for example, if we're going up, you see the highest point the highest point, it was 92,900. So imagine, it made like $30,000 movement on the Bitcoin. And if you can see on the yellow line, it was just one impulse. So this kind of situation, we didn't have even option to open position following the trend. If we will not open a position, we will huge amount of the market, and it means huge amount of the money. But let me show you what kind of results producing. If, for example, we'll put TAR's task to the bot just to trade hard reversal without even normal entry points. So let me show you how this hard trend changing look like in the bot, because in the indicator everything is clear. You see, when we have a blue line, it means trend was created by normal way, so it was impulse, correction, impulse. And when it's showing for us purple line, by the way, you see right now I was checking, you see it was like normal impulse sell, we were selling in plus, buy, we were buying in plus, and then you see it was showing us like sell, but it was hard changing of the trend. It's appearing an indicator as a purple line, and you see it was hardly without even stop, like breaking the previous high of the trend. And let's move forward. As you can see, it was like huge movement in the same direction, and if we will miss it, we will miss like huge amount of the profit. But indicator, it's a bit different. And even if you are trading manually, I highly recommend you to do all the backtest and optimization with the bot to prove and to give you some confidence that it's really working. So let me open a gold, the same gold. Why gold? I'm showing you every time because I want also to prove for you that different entry points can work even in one instrument, because in the next videos, I will also show you how to build a portfolio. For example, we can trade one instrument, but we'll prepare a set of the different entry points. In this kind of way, we'll diversify, but this is the later on. So let me show you how to find this hard like changing trend in the inputs. We're going for the inputs, for the settings, and let me show you. You see, so we have opened by trend create, as we spoke like last time about impulse, like following the trend. We'll choose now open by impulse create. We'll choose just, you see, open by trend hard create. Everything else I will leave as like that. Of course, after optimization you will find out maybe better settings, because I didn't do a lot of the things. Most probably there will be not so many trading deals, but I'm telling you from the beginning that it will be profitable. So I'm choosing M5 gold from the beginning of 2024 until, for example, I will choose today, and let us see the results, what kind of results it will show us. And as I told you, you see it's trading already in plus. But let us check exact the results, because as I told you, I'm not sure there will be a lot of the trades. So during this period of time was 54 trades, just 54 trades, but total net profit was $1,000. Imagine if you will not trade this entry point during whole year, you will miss $1,000. Maximum drawdown was $168, which is nothing, and the profit trades was 64%. I think it's wow, it's really working results. So you can put this knowledge of hard trend changing in your book of knowledge, because later on in the next videos I will add more information. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to send me a message and I will send you updated indicator and also file with the trading bots, because as I show you, this is working, and in the next video will be even more. Thanks for watching this video and see you in our next one.